Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps on iPhone. It's quick and simple process. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's talk about hiding apps from your home screen without deleting them. To do that, simply press and hold the app that you want to hide until the menu appears. And once the menu appears, simply tap on Remove App and select Remove from Home Screen. And this keeps the app in the app library, but it won't show on your home screen. And that's it. You can always find the apps by swiping left to the app library or using Spotlight search by swiping down or typing the app's name. Now, next up, if you want to make an app harder to find, you can tuck it away in a folder. And here is how you can do it. So to do that, simply drag the app over another app to create a folder. And drag the app to the second or third page inside the folder. And you can rename the folder something unnoticeable like utilities or extra. This won't completely hide the app, but it makes it less obvious. And now, if you want to completely hide an app, you can use screen time restriction. This method is perfect for hiding built-in apps like Safari, Mail, or even downloaded apps. To do that, simply go to the settings, and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on screen time. And from there you can simply tap on content and privacy restrictions, and you can simply turn it on. Now tap on Allowed Apps and toggle off the apps that you want to hide. Or you can go to the content restrictions and tap on App Store Media, Wave and Games. And here you can see the option labeled apps. Simply tap on that. And there you can set an age limit to hide certain apps. And after doing that, the app will be gone. And to bring it back, you can just follow the same steps and turn it back on. And if you want to hide an app from your App Store purchase history, follow this quick trick. You can simply open the App Store, and after opening it, you can simply tap on your profile picture, and from there you can simply tap on purchase history. Now here you will see the list of app you have purchased. So you can simply swipe left on that app and tap hide. And after doing that, the app won't show up in your purchase history unless you manually unhide it. And there you have it, 4 easy ways to hide apps on your iPhone without deleting them. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.